Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. As the cases of targeted violence, vandalism of Hindu temples, and religious sites have increased in the past few days in Bangladesh, the Ministry of External Affairs has addressed these growing incidents, expressing deep concerns over the repeated targeting of Hindu minorities by citing incidents like the attack on a puja mandap in Tati Bazar and the theft at Josheshwari Kali Temple during Durga Puja in 2024. During the Rajya Sabha session on 28 November, MEA spokesperson Shri Kirtiwardhan Singh reiterated its demand for the Bangladeshi government to take effective measures to ensure the safety of minorities. In a statement, he urged Bangladeshi authorities to act decisively, emphasizing India's commitment to advocating for the rights and security of regional minorities. The recent arrest of Hindu monk Chinmay Krishnadas on sedition charges has only exacerbated the tensions. India criticized the arrest, noting the irony of punishing a religious leader while perpetrators of violence against minorities remain free. Moreover, former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina also condemned the arrest of Chinmay Krishnadas, calling it unjust and a threat to religious freedom. In a strongly worded letter, Hasina expressed concern over the escalating violence, highlighting the burning of temple in Chittagong and past attacks on other minority communities, including Ahmadiyyas. She urged the government to protect the rights and dignity of minorities, stating, "Religious freedom and security of life and property of people of all communities should be ensured." Her statement highlighted the precarious position of minorities in Bangladesh following her ouster and the rise of the interim government led by Muhammad Yunus. It's not just India who's raising this issue. Even international leaders have condemned the atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh. Recently, Johnny Moore, former spiritual advisor to the US President Donald Trump, joined the international chorus criticizing Bangladesh's handling of the minority rights in their country. In an interview, Moore condemned the escalating violence and called Yunus's leadership ineffective. He labeled the ongoing persecution of Hindus and other minorities as an existential threat, questioning the interim government's ability to maintain law and order. Moore urged international human rights organizations to speak up and intervene, stressing that the situation posed not just a moral failure but a severe risk to stability of Bangladesh. Apart from him, even Donald Trump condemned the ongoing atrocities on Hindus in Bangladesh. Adding to the global criticism, UK Conservative MP Bob Blackman condemned these heinous crimes and the imprisonment of Chinmay Krishnadas. In a social media post, Blackman emphasized the importance of religious freedom and criticized the attempted ban on ISKCON by some factions within Bangladesh. He stated, "We have fought for freedom of Bangladeshi people, and we cannot allow any government there to persecute minorities." Blackman also expressed concern over the growing attempts to sideline and suppress Hindu voices in Bangladesh. Blackman also expressed concern over the growing attempts to sideline and suppress Hindu voices in Bangladesh, urging the global community to hold the interim government accountable for ensuring safety and dignity of all its citizens. Since the swearing in of Muhammad Yunus's interim government in August 2024, violence against minorities in Bangladesh has escalated. Incidents of vandalism, arson, and mob attacks have terrorized Hindu communities across the country, sparking international concern. Despite the challenges, Yunus's administration has faced criticism for failing to protect minorities and uphold the rule of law. Protests have erupted across Bangladesh, with the Hindu community demanding the release of Chinmay Krishnadas and better protection for religious minorities. As calls for justice grow louder, it remains to be seen whether the Bangladeshi government will take tangible steps to address these issues or continue to face mounting global criticism. Jai Hind.